Canva is a widely used tool for designers. It offers a vast collection of assets. Many graphic designers and video editors have been using Canva for years. The exciting news is that Canva has become even more powerful and productive in its latest update. It has introduced some remarkable AI features. You can now accomplish tasks that were unimaginable just a few days ago. In today's video, I will discuss the magical features of Canva. So, without delay, let's get started. After coming to the Canva homepage, you will find a new option, Magic Studio. Or if you scroll down, you will find some new options. Let's see what it offers. First, there is Magic Studio, then there are Magic Design, Magic Switch, Magic Grab, Magic Write with Brand Voice, Magic Morph, Magic Design for Presentation, Magic Expand, Magic Edit, Magic Animate, and Magic Design for Video. It's huge. Let's try one by one how it works. First, in the Magic Studio, you will find all the Canva AI tools, with some integrated external AI tools like DALL-E, Mojo AI, DID, and others. Let's try the Magic Design tool. In Magic Design, you have to just type your idea in a few words or upload your own media. Magic Design will create a collection of custom templates for you. Click on Try Magic Design from here. Now you have to enter your idea as a text prompt. I will use a suggestion for tutorial purposes. After entering your prompt, hit the Enter button. Canva will start creating your design. And here it is. Now select one of the designs created by Canva and then click on Customize this template. Now you can customize the design. You can use some AI tools on this page also. I will talk about them later. This time let's move forward to the next tool. It's Magic Switch. This tool can transform your presentation into a doc file or resize it to any other format, even into video. You can translate your presentation to another language. Let's click on Try Magic Switch. Canva will generate a sample presentation for you. You can customize it as you wish. This time I will skip customization and try only the Magic Switch tools. Let's start with Translate. Here you have to select the language first. There are more than 100 languages available. You can select any language. I will select Spanish. After selecting the language, select Pages. I will translate all of the pages. After all is set, hit the Translate button. It will take some time to translate. After completing the process, click on Open Presentation from here. And here it is. You can see the result. The whole presentation has been translated into Spanish language. Okay, let's move forward. This time I will resize the presentation. You can resize it as any social media post, custom size, video, or even as a web page. Let's create a video with this presentation. After selecting video, you have to select the aspect ratio. Then click on Continue. Now you can resize the presentation as a copy or resize the original presentation. I will make a copy. And here is the result. Canva created a video with the presentation. In this way, you can create a doc file or any other social media file with the Magic Switch tool. Try yourself all of the options. This time I will skip it. Alright friends, let's try the next tool, Magic Grab. With this tool, you can select any part of an image and edit it as per your need. Click on Try Magic Grab to use the tool. This is a sample design. Here you will get an instruction on using Magic Grab. Let's grab the hot air balloon. After selecting the part, come to the left panel and select Magic Grab tool. Canva will take some time to process. And you can see the result. The hot air balloon is successfully grabbed from the image. Now you can drag it anywhere. Let's try it with our own image. Create a new page and upload one image. I will upload a complex image. After uploading the image, insert it into the design page and adjust the size. Now click on the Edit Photo from here and then select the Magic Grab tool. And it works perfectly. All of the 3 mice are split from the background. Now we can erase any of the mice with the Magic Eraser tool. Just select the Magic Eraser tool and then select the area you want to erase. It will remove the object immediately. There are some other tools also available here. I will talk about them later. Before that, let's try the Magic Write tool. With this tool, you can generate or edit your text with the help of AI. Just select your text and then select one option. You can enlarge the text, summarize the text, rewrite it, make it more fun or formal, or even fix the spelling. Alright, our next tool is the Magic Morph tool. With this tool, you can change the texture of any object or text with a text prompt. Click on Try Magic Morph to open this tool. For example, I want to change the star shape into a green balloon. Select the object you want to convert. Then give your instructions here and hit the Magic Morph button from here. Canva will generate 4 versions of the star according to your prompt. Select one of them and insert it into your design. You can create Magic Morph with any kind of shape or text. Our next tool is Magic Design for presentation. With this tool, you can create an amazing presentation with a single line prompt. After clicking on a Try Magic Design, Canva will create a sample presentation. To create our presentation, we have to go to the left panel search bar. This is the prompt box also. Here enter your presentation topic. I will use how AI is changing education. After entering the topic, hit the Enter button. Canva will take some time to generate the presentation. It has generated 2 presentations. Review them and then select one of them. And here is it. It has generated a wonderful presentation with information and visuals. That's great. You can customize it as per your needs. Now let's talk about another new tool. Click on the Animate button from here and then select Magic Animate. There are some magic animations. If you select one of these, the whole presentation will be animated automatically. Let's see how it works. That's amazing. It looks like made a professional presentation maker. I really love this one. Alright, let's move forward to the next tool. It's Magic Expand tool. With this tool, you can expand your image. Just select your aspect ratio, and AI will make it a custom image. Click on Try Magic Expand. Now select an aspect ratio and hit the Magic Expand button. And here is the magic. For better understanding, let's try with another image. I will upload an image. After uploading an image, insert it to the editor page. Now click on the Edit Image button from here and then select the Magic Expand tool. After that, select a aspect ratio. I will select 16:9. After selecting the aspect ratio, click on the Magic Expand button. AI will generate 4 different versions for you. You have to just select one of them. See the quality. Just amazing. Now I will talk about another tool, Magic Edit tool. With this tool, you can generate any object or change any object on your existing image or design. For example, I want to generate a tree here. First, select the Magic Edit tool and then select the position with the brush tool. After that, come to the left panel and give your prompt or instruction here. After all is set, click on the Generate button. And here it is. How beautiful the result is. You can choose any of the 4 images. Even you can generate 4 more if you don't like any of them. Not only add a new object, but you can also change existing objects from your image. For example, I want to change the hair color. First, select the hair with the brush tool and then give the prompt. I will use change the color to green. And see the result. It's insane. There is another tool, Grab Text. With this tool, you can grab any text from an image. To test this tool, I will upload a YouTube thumbnail. After selecting your image, click on the Edit Photo and then select the Grab Text tool. And here is the result. Look how beautifully it grabs only the text from the image. Alright, let's talk about last but not least, Magic Design for video. With this tool, you can create a video in just 30 seconds. You have to just upload or select your footage and then give the prompt. AI will make a video for you with text and music. For example, I am uploading some video footage and images. After selecting your footage and images, give a simple instruction here. I am giving just 5 intersecting facts about Amsterdam. Now hit the Enter button or click on the Generate button from here. Canva will take some time. And here is the result. Now you can edit the video if needed. Canva is really turning it into a game changer too. I love their new feature. But the problem is that all of the features are available only on a premium subscription. But don't worry, you can use 30 free trials of Canva Pro. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Canva Magic Tools. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!